Hey Dingdongs, it's me. And I just want to say before starting this video, this was supposed to be a completely different video. This was supposed to be like a travel vlog to Mount Rainier National Park with me and my family because I have never been to Mount Rainier. But shortly while recording, as the events unfolded and life happened, I realized like this is not a good idea to be filming. Like my heart's not in it, my head's not in it. It's just nothing is going right. It's not working. So I'm like, it's just turned into the realities of traveling with children. Exhibit A. It just made me think like this is taking a turn. We're going left, so we're gonna take it that way. Now, this is 6 lessons that you need to know before going anywhere with your kids. I'm sure we all know these things that I'm about to list, but sometimes when you're just like so stuck in the motion of like going through life or just trying to get to one place to the other and you're not really like focusing how you should be, it's easy to forget these things. So tip number 1, do your research and plan. We know that like you can't always plan out you can plan out your whole life, but it doesn't mean that everything is going to go to plan. But when you're like thinking of activities or places to go when you have kids, it's usually a good idea to research, is this place appropriate to take kids? What's it gonna be like? Like check out the surroundings, kind of get a feel for like what you're getting yourself into before you just dip out and go. Because when we went, I took the stroller and I'm like, okay, cool. Like this is a lightweight umbrella stroller. We're about to hike this little, I had no idea like what the terrain was like. It was a fairly warm day. I think I was wearing jeans. I don't remember. It was uphill and I was pushing the stroller and I'm like, I'm tired as hell. Like I can't. I don't know what I was thinking. Number 2, check your vibe and everyone else's that you're traveling with or going to interact with or be with. Like before you leave the house, do a quick check, a temperature check of like yourself. Like, how am I feeling? Am I tired? Are you tired? Are you hungry? Are you nervous? Is everyone fussy? Are you in pain? Are you relaxed? Like, you need to do that, because I realized when we were experiencing this trip and trying to get there, everyone's vibe was just off. And tip 3, lower your expectations or just don't even have any at all.
It will set you up to be less
disappointed. Like I said before, nothing will ever go to plan. You can plan as much as you want. Just lower your expectations, especially when you have kids. Like, don't expect anything. Tip number 4, and probably the most crucial one, well, they're all crucial, but this one's a really important one. Bring snacks everywhere you go. Food makes everything better. If you need to like distract somebody or like distract the kids or they're being like antsy fussy, you can usually always do what you need to when they have food in their mouths. If you're cranky yourself, like maybe you need a snack, maybe you're hungry, just bring food everywhere you go. Tip number 5, there has to be downtime in whatever you do, wherever you go. Like downtime is good not only for your kids, but for you too. Do a little break, a period, just chill out for a second, run around, get your energies out, stretch your feet, your body, a little walk. Just everybody needs downtime. And this last one, number 6, it's super obvious, but I know we all forget time to time, and it's to be patient. You just need patience in life in general, but you really need patience when you have kids, especially younger kids. You just need it. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any other tips that you think would be useful when you leave the house with your kids. I'd love to hear them. Hello, Dingdongs. We are in Savonne. I don't know. We're somewhere down south here of Washington on the Mountain Highway Road. Currently at Fred Meyer's, stopping to get some snacks and, you know, some foodage for the trip. Where are we headed to, Asa-chan? Where are we headed? Where are we headed? We're going to Mount Rainier, located in Washington State. I've never been to Mount Rainier. Your dad has. So we're going on a mountain trip on this lovely Sunday. Let's see how it goes.
So we have the pig in the park.
Hello, mates. Here we are at the Coates Creek Trail. I don't know where we are. Nano, come over here. There's some viewpoint. And this is what it is. Oh. Where's the mountain? I don't see it. Rock. I don't think it's a good day for vlogging, guys. It's rough. I don't even want to. Dingdongs. This was supposed to be like a great family vlog adventure, but it's just not turning out to be that. As you can see, there's a mountain behind us. This trip has inspired a completely new video. I'm not feeling it today. It's just everyone's energies are off. It's kind of a rough hike. It's not rough. It's just really steep and inclined. Got the strollers. The kids are tired, fussy. So it's not going to be one of those scenic vlogs. It's turned into So this trip was actually a fail, but I don't regret it at all because I still learned something in the end from this traveling experience fiasco. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me and my semi-fail Mount Rainier trip event. And until next time, bye, Dingdongs!